I want to begin by thanking all of those who've become members of my channel. Your contributions have meant the world to me at this time, not only materialistically, but emotionally. I won't list names here to respect your privacy, but you know who you are. You have my heartfelt appreciation in ways you could not even imagine at this time. It's been over 5 years since the third volume of my cookbook series was published. During all that time, I kept making notes on what Volume 4 should contain. The construction and operation of my restaurant Lava made it impossible for me to have the time to actually complete the book. But finally, during these last few months, I now have it ready for publication. This is also why I have not been producing many videos lately. This might be the best volume yet because it concisely addresses important issues in cooking that are not covered in detail or with scientific accuracy anywhere else that I've ever seen. As with previous volumes, this book is divided into sections. The first section is on theory. In this volume, thermal physics and the various advantages and disadvantages of different cooking methods are explained with specific reasons and the science that answers many of the questions I've received from viewers over the years. You can see some of the topics here on the screen. In the next section, there are more than 60 recipes from cuisines around the world. Some are from the last videos that I put up on YouTube that were too late to be included in Volume 3. These have been reworked and used to illustrate techniques such as sous vide and pressure cooking techniques, as well as more enzymatic reactions. This section concludes with recipes for several desserts, including a recipe for chocolate chip cookies that had people lined up down the street in Beverly Hills back in the 1980s, paying what would be $8 per cookie in today's money before the owner finally went back to France. The next section is a collection of recipes for very useful spice pastes. Some of these are marinades, some have other applications. Then there's a section of cold dipping sauces, and some of these can be used as salad dressings with completely original results. There's a dozen cocktail recipes, including some from my restaurant Lava in Helsinki. And then finally, there's an appendix with tables for pressure cooker times and my usual selection of tricks and tips on a variety of topics that should be valuable information for both home cooks and professionals alike. Once again, I want to sincerely thank all of the people who've joined my channel to become members. And if you wish to become a member, there's a link in the comments of this video that will take you to the page for how to become one. Thank you very much.